About to take it down the block. See what's that little sound we hear, man. It's a nasty sound coming from that drivetrain. Know I was supposed to get back with y'all. Supposed to went live, man. Don't y'all beat me up. But we got down here, my boy Terry, he went ahead on threw me on the wreck, see what I got going on. And we found the culprit. We found the culprit, man. And it's the U-joint. The U-joint all busted up, man. Falling apart in that joint. Let me see your flag like him. Matter of fact, come on. Yeah, old U-joint. Busted up, so I think he's gonna try to take care of me, man, while it's up here on the rack. And that's probably my problem. Do you think that was the vibration already? He said he think that's what it was, so we'll definitely come back, man. I know I supposed to went live with y'all, man, but I'm still getting y'all the footage. All right. Y'all see, you got the whole drive shaft out, man. See what we got. Banging. Let's see what we got going on, man.
Banging and banging time.
Old drive shell, man. Penny, I'm gonna have to go on and start driving them more, man. That's what my wife told me. You can't get a new woman starting and just leave the old woman alone. The old woman gonna put you down, man. So I gotta do better, man. Got to do better. Down at TCR Automotive, man. At TCR 496 on Instagram. It's your man, man. I'm telling y'all. This is the behind the scenes that a lot of us don't see. I've never seen anything like this, man. I thought they just knock it out. I thought they just get a old chisel and a hammer, man, and knock that shit out. Let's see what's going on. Ain't got no better for that. Caps on it. It was original, making all that racket, man. I should have let y'all heard that. So we just replaced that. See what we got now. That motherfucker's still hot. Putting it back down. Sit it up like that. Sit it up high like that. Just like that. That's what I'm doing. Psych. Psych. Yeah. Penny can hang with the best on, boy. Yes, sir. Back rolling, baby. Got the U-joint put in. I think that was my problem, man. I think it was causing that vibration. And it was definitely causing that loud clanking sound. Y'all see how it was tore up, man.